Let's help to factory reset your X5. First, make sure you have a toothpick or similarly shaped item. Make sure the HDMI cable is plugged into your X5 and the power cable is unplugged. Next, turn on your TV only. Locate the AV port on the back of the X5. Now take your toothpick and insert it into the AV port and feel for a clip. This is the reset button. Hold down the reset button with the toothpick while plugging in the power cable to the X5. Keep holding the reset button down until you are presented with the Android recovery screen. This should take around 15 seconds. Next, scroll down to Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and select it. Scroll down to Factory Data Reset and select it. When the factory reset is complete, the system will go back to recovery mode. From here, select Reboot System Now. This process may take 3 to 4 minutes. When it's finished, you will be able to set up your X5 as a new device from the welcome screen. Thank you for watching.